longboard is a type of sports equipment which is similar to, but not the same as, a skateboard. With a longboard, you'll be smoothly cruising with the pavement under your feet for as long as you want. It is a fun and exciting activity, but you need to get yourself the best longboard to ensure that you'll make the most out of it. They're also designed with the deck to be very low to the ground to reduce your center of gravity. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Atom Pintail longboard comes with a classic pintail deck shape and concave cross section that makes carving a breeze. Its convenient size offers ease of transport and durable construction that ensures this longboard lasts for many years of use. Also, it comes with a classic Pintail skateboard deck shape, which makes balancing more comfortable and prevents you from getting wheel bite while carving. Besides, it has a colorful and stylish surfing-inspired design theme on the bottom, and its urethane-covered deck provides good slip-proof footing for safety and stability while boarding. Moreover, it measures 40 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 5 inches high. The Sector 9 Aperture Sidewinder is constructed with 8-ply cold-pressed maple, and that makes it very durable, and it can prevent any kind of obstacles by it. It has 5 bearings and includes a cutout that ensures minimal friction of wheels. Also, it comes with an extended deck that allows you to cruise by providing better stability. Besides, it offers a 69mm-78A slalom wheel that makes it very fast. Moreover, it includes 888 Brainwaves rubber helmet and 8 sliders downhill glove. On the other hand, the trucks of this board will allow you to attain the speed that is difficult to reach with the different common types of longboards. Another advantage is that it offers a cutout that ensures minimal friction of wheels. The Quest Super Cruiser is constructed in a multi-ply hardwood maple and beautiful artisan bamboo deck shaped to perform, and the extra detail rarely found at this price. Also, it measures 44 inches in length and it weighs around 8.2 pounds. For better wheel attachment and great all-around riding experience, the deck features wheel wells and a kicktail. It also gives the deck some flex, ensuring that the board is well suited to different riding surfaces. Moreover, the kicktail makes the board more maneuverable, which comes in handy when a rider is cruising in a busy area or through a crowd. On the other hand, the 4mm risers also serve to add to the overall height of the board. Another advantage is that the board's bearings increase precision when handling as well as smoothing out the ride. In at first place among the list of best longboards, we have the Atom Drop Through. It's an ultra-low riding longboard that ensures maximum stability, making it ideal for downhill carving. Also, the ease of pushing takes the wear and tear out of around-the-town commutes as well. Besides, it comes with a unique perimeter shape which gives 9.6 inches of leverage into every turn, while also eliminating wheel bite. It provides 41 inches of sizable full maple laminated deck and uses PHT graphic materials and beautiful arts. Moreover, it has a rounded lip which turns braking slides easier and has reverse kingpin trucks with 245mm axles. On the other hand, it is equipped with double barrel bushings and it can give a stable ride by just adjusting it a little bit. Thanks for watching. You won't go wrong choosing any of these. Hit the like button to let us know we did well and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future.